This is section 11.2. We're going to look at arcs and central angles. This is the reading to learn math page. Number 1, refer to circle P with diameter segment AC. State whether each statement is true or false. If it's false, explain why. All right, so let's look and see what we have here. They told us that segment AC was a diameter, so that's really important. I immediately know those two angles, and I can calculate this other one. Okay, now the same thing happens with your arcs. So I'll put some arcs on here. Those arcs have the same measure as those central angles. So on and so forth. I think you get the idea. At least I hope you do at this point. And let's try some blue. Okay, so that's what we know. Part A, arc DAB is a major arc. Arc DAB would be this guy, 90 plus 52. Is that a major arc? 90 plus 52. That gives you 142. That is not bigger than 180. So this is false. Okay, now typically when you use 3 letters, it's going to be a major arc. That's not the case here. Part B, arc ADC is a semicircle. That is true. I'll use a lighter blue. Arc ADB, oh no, ADC. Yeah, that's a semicircle. That's true. It covers half the circle. Part C, arc AD is congruent to arc CD. That is true. Your purple arc and your blue arc have the same measure. They're congruent, so that is true. Part D, angle BPC is a central angle. Absolutely. I'll use this lighter blue. Arc angle BPC is a central angle because P is the vertex. Okay, let's look back at exercise 1. Give each of the following arc measures and explain how you find the measure. Well, that should be fun. What's the measure of arc AB? It's 52. It's the same as its central angle. What's the measure of arc BC? It would be 128. We did 180 minus 52. What's the measure of arc CD? It's 90. That's the same as the central angle measure. Part D, what's the measure of arc DAC? Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this guy. What is the measure of arc DAC? I'm going to go with orange maybe. I'm going to start at D, go towards A, stop at C. It almost goes the whole way around the circle, with the exception of this dark blue arc right here. So it's all of that except for the 90. So it's going to be 270 because that's 360. Subtract 90.